Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Fierce. Fierce means violent or ferocious. For example, the tiger is the largest member of the cat family and a fierce predator. The tiger is the largest member of the cat family and a fierce predator. Synonyms: ferocious, savage, vicious.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Several fierce battles were fought between the two camps. Now, repeat after me. Several fierce battles were fought between the two camps. The second exempli. At least you're fierce and aggressive now in your anger. Now, repeat after me. At least you're fierce and aggressive now in your anger. The third exempli. The communities that play can display fierce and irrational rivalries. Now, repeat after me. The communities that play can display fierce and irrational rivalries.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Oxyphenbutazone is the highest scoring word in a game of Scrabble. Although, it's only hypothetical and hasn't been played ever. But hey, maybe you'll be the first one to use it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.